All right, make sure you have the vowels and the consonants written on your paper. Remember that as we do these words, the vowels will be written on the black spots and the consonants will be written on the white. Make sure you get them written down correctly because I'm going to erase them here in just a second. If you get finished writing and you have a moment, you might look at the letters and try to imagine or predict some of the words that you think we might make with them. Okay, we're ready to get started. The first word is valor. If you've heard this word before, give me a thumbs up, or give your partner a thumbs up. And then try and tell your partner what you think the word valor means, or use the word valor in a sentence. Valor is often associated with bravery. So a sentence using the word valor might be, the soldier received a medal for his courage and valor. Let's sound it out. Or valor. Number 2 is valet. A valet is someone who gets paid to park cars for people. Sometimes fancy restaurants or hotels have a valet. It's someone that parks the car for you while you stay there. Okay. Tell your partner a place you think where you might see a valet. While you do that, I'm going to write it. Valet. Make sure you've written these words correctly on your paper. Now, let's go on to number 3. Lever. Let's say that word lever 3 times. Lever, lever, lever. I pulled the lever to make the race cars roll. Lever. Can you tell your partner what a lever is, or maybe some place where you might see a lever? We also, at our house, we drive a bobcat, and some of the bobcat is run, we steer it using a lever. Lever. Okay, so lever rhymes with clever. Lever. Write the word lever and check your spelling. The next word is leave. She had to leave for an appointment. Leave. You tell your partner a sentence using the word leave. Okay, now try and spell the word leave. What would we start with? Ooh. And then you hear the E sound next. Leave. And there's another space on the end for a vowel. What do you think it is? Do you hear anything? Nope, so chances are it's super silent magic E. Leave. The next word is later. I decided to save my dessert for later. So the root word of later is the word late. What do you think we'll do to make it later? Easy enough. We're going to add an R. Number 6. The word is ravel. My sweater began to ravel during recess. Use the word ravel in a sentence with your partner. Ravel. Let's write it down. Ravel. Okay. Now we're ready for number 7. Avert. I want us to spell it first and then we'll talk about what it means. Avert. The doctor asked the patient to avert her eyes while he gave her the shot. Avert. Avert. Avert means to look away. Let's say that word avert 3 times. Ready? Avert, avert, avert. Now let's snap and spell it. Ready? A-V-E-R-T. Avert. Avert means to look away. Tell your partner what avert means. All right. Now we're ready for the next word. Voter. Voter. The root word in voter is what? That's right, vote. So what's the first letter? V. Now sound it out. V-O. O. Write down the sound that you hear. Vote. And you hear When we spelled later, how did we spell the sound? It's the same in voter. Voter. Let's say that word voter 3 times. Voter, voter, voter. A voter, let's snap and spell it. Here we go. V-O-T-E-R, voter. A voter is someone who votes. So we could say every United States citizen over the age of 21 can be a voter. Now you use the word voter in a sentence with your partner. Okay, let's go on to 9. Number 9 is alter. Alter. So how do you think that'll start? All. If you're writing the word all, how would it start? What letter? That's right. It's a vowel. Letter A. All. Now listen. T, t. All. T. And how did we spell here? It's the same way. Alter. Say that word alter 3 times. Alter, alter, alter. Let's snap and spell the word alter. Here we go. A-L-T-E-R. Alter. Alter means to change something. Tell your partner what the word alter means. So a sentence would be, my mom wanted to alter the prom dress. Alter. You use the word alter in a sentence with your partner. Okay, let's move on. The next word is travel. Travel. It starts with a blend. What 2 consonants come together to make the tr sound at the beginning of travel? That's right. Tr-a-a. What do you hear there? Travel. Now if you look, travel ends the same way as one of our other words over here. Travel ends like ravel. So let's add that E-L. Now let's say travel 3 times. Travel, travel, travel. Snap and spell it. T-R-A-V-E-L. Travel. Travel means to journey over a distance. Tell your partner what the word travel means. All right. So if we used it in a sentence, we could say, I would like to travel to California over spring break. Tell your partner somewhere you would like to travel. Oops, I'm sorry, I messed up. Travel was supposed to be number 11. So we're going to have to move that. And let's go back to number 10 is alert. Alert. Let's spell that. Alert. You have to be alert if you want to know what's going on. Say it 3 times. Alert, alert, alert. Let's snap and spell it. A-L-E-R-T. Alert. Alert means that you're paying attention, that you're ready. Tell your partner what alert means. Okay, so we might say that the soldiers always had to be alert. You use the word alert in a sentence. Let's go on to number 12, revolt. Now you've used the prefix re before, as in redo or rewrite. Well, this is revolt. So start with re and then v, revolt. Let's say the word revolt 3 times. Revolt, revolt, revolt. Now, let's snap and spell it. R-E-V-O-L-T. Revolt. Revolt is when someone goes against the government. Tell your partner what revolt means. The revolt against the government lasted only 2 days. Revolt. 13. Reveal. So we know how to start re. Reveal. Veal. What sound do you hear first? That's right, E. What vowel do you think is making E say its name? Eel. Reveal. Say it 3 times. Reveal, reveal, reveal. Snap and spell it. R-E-V-E-A-L. Reveal. Reveal means that you show something for the first time, or you expose something. Tell your partner what reveal means. All right. I did not want anybody to reveal what I had bought my mom for her birthday. I wanted it to be a surprise. Reveal. You use the word reveal in a sentence. 14. Relate. Can you guess what the first 2 letters are going to be? That's right. Re. And how do we spell late? O. And the word 8. Relate. Let's say it 3 times. Relate, relate, relate. Snap and spell it. R-E-L-A-T-E. Relate. Relate means that you can sympathize or you can understand. Tell a partner what relate means. All right. Use the word relate in a sentence with your partner. So you might say, I relate to the pain she feels from her uncle's death. Relate. Are you ready for the challenge word? Here we go. Elevator. Elevator. So what does the word elevator start with? That's right, E. L-O-E-E. Elevator. Elevator. All right. Can you think of a word that rhymes with elevator? It's an animal with sharp teeth. It's a swimmer. Tell your partner. Okay. Now I want you to go through and let's look and see how many syllables each word has. Go through and talk to your partner about it and then write the number of syllables behind each word. So let's look at valor. Valor. 2 syllables. What about valet? Let's try it. Valet. 2 syllables. How about lever? Lever. You do the rest of them on your own and then go on to the next video.